pretty good day it is. And have I got something to show you? Hence, this. Okay, now let's go and have a look. Over here, we have Japanese temple bell bronze Buddhist. Okay, now this particular bell here, as you can see with the flecks of paint, it's gone through the ceremony for where they change a bell, another bell is commissioned, and that bell is used, and this one is decommissioned. Now the kanji here tells us that, right there it says, right here it says, Meiji Nijuichi Nen Ichigatsu. So that translates into the Western calendar, pop that over there, into January of 1888. Now the name on the right hand side just here, you will find is Tamanouchi. Tamanouchi. Now the presumption is that this is the name of that in whom commissioned this bell. It's considered not to be actually a location, but a person's name. So that's what I can gather from those that have looked into this bell. Now you'll find that here, I think this is actually sort of oil, just a bit of oil, and you'll see the difference in light here and here. I usually don't touch them, but I want to know what this is, so I just gave that a light rub, and you'll find that it cleaned off very easily. So this area here, it seems it's just some kind of oil or something, so that will come off very easily. Now, you'll find the only downside to this bell, isn't that clone? This is a fantastic bell. The only downside to it is it's been repaired, so it would have had a fine line crack in it. Here, it's been repaired. As you can see, the striking points are amazingly worn. Look at that. But it produces a fantastic deep sound, so it's actually a very good repair. And let's just try it. Okay, we'll try both striking points. Hold on. Let's have a look in here. There you go. There's that repair work done. So they've definitely spent some time and effort into keeping this bell in good condition. Now I would suggest, so this is a new striker, I would suggest to put some cushioning on here. I often suggest that because I think that, you know, you just make the bell last a lot longer. And the designs are often really beautiful and, you know, kept in good shape if you have nice cushioning on a striker. As you can see, from many a strike, this bell, the striking points are worn down. Still going. Fantastic deep sound from something of this size. I'm striking with the edge rather than the flat, you get a better strike. Okay, and let's go with the side where it's been repaired. There you are. So it's a brilliant bell, great history. So look up 1888. That's your homework for today. Japan of 1888. What a superb bell. If it didn't have the repair, obviously I'd be asking a lot more. But for what it is, it's what my asking price is just superb. So. And once I figure out what I'm going to ask, it'll be looking into the future. It will be superb. So there you are. That's a beautiful bell right there. I'm going to set up the Holy Grail of bells, which is in the back of the truck just over there. I'm going to do that right now. So there you are. Have to get some pictures of this bell here. And what a beauty. Like I said, that oil stain thing there, you'll get that off very easily if you want to. I mean, I generally don't go near them, but as far as, you know, I've seen people like go near where the kanji is and just sort of wipe, you know, vigorously, not like that, but wipe vigorously, and it's like, what are you doing, you know? But the thing is that will all come off very easily. And as I wiped it like that, you can see the actual coloration from here to here, which is the way it should be, has come in very, very easily. It just took seconds to put that back to where that is right there. So someone's just spilt some oil on it. Brilliant bell. Brilliant bell. Have a look in my feedback and you'll find I had one similar to this, and they're saying the feedback was that they're saying they can't believe the sound of it. It's just fantastic. So, and they're saying it's better than what it was on the video. So, in person, maybe I just need a better camera. Well, take it from me, the sound's fantastic. How's that? All right then. So there you are, and I'll get to the next glorious piece. And the next piece, you'll find it's not exactly going to be of the same price.